Welcome back. Here in this lecture we will learn how to use div section or division in HTML or CSS. So here we will go with creating a file. So I will save this file. Save this file. Then I will have to choose the extension HTML and I will give the name to the file as div. I save it. Same procedure here I have to follow. Doc type I have to declare over there. Then it's good practice to declare the doc type HTML. Otherwise most of the browser by default understood this. So HTML here, and in the HTML I have to use head. In the head you have to use title. Say we give div in CSS HTML. This is the title we have given to this, and in after the head section we have to write the body. Here we go with body, and here in the body we want to write some paragraph. Say I will take paragraph. So what has to be written in the paragraph? That we can take some paragraph text from the site lipsum.com. Semi paragraphs available over there. So I just copy this paragraph from this location to this, and I will paste it over here. Control V. Okay. Then here I will take say another paragraph, and same I will copy over here, same text. So I will save this file, and here I will open this file. So Control C and Control V. I have saved this file with the name of div. So div.html. Here we go. Open this. We have opened this paragraph over here. Now we write this paragraph in division. So what is the meaning of using div? So we write div over here, then Control X copy, then we paste it over here. Okay, so this is one division, and here we write another division. Control X, and here we copy. Control V. Save this. Now refresh it. Nothing has been changed over here. You see, nothing going to be changed over here. So what is the fun of using division over here? Now let's write a class using the style element. I just wanted to create a class section. And here I specify certain values. Here I just wanted to make color green. And then write text aligned. I just wanted to give it value justified, and here I write text. Sorry, here I write font family. Say I choose here Courier New family. Save this. Now refresh this. Now we have to apply. Now this class has to be applied to the division 1. So for changes to see the changes, we just apply the class over here, class, and then we have to give the class name section. Save it. Refresh. Now see the difference. Okay, so This is our one of the division. In this particular division, here I write another paragraph. Paragraph. This is my second paragraph. Save this, refresh this. Now this is our second paragraph written over here, and here the paragraph is written within the division. So whatever the class we have applied or whatever the style we have applied to the division is automatically applied to its element that is written within the division element. So here we going to create another class. Say here we create another class section 1. Here we go. Here we say color, so red, then text line, here we say left. Okay, by default the text line is always left, and here we use font family. We have taken this font family, save this and apply this to this region. So for that I have to use class, and here I have to give the class of the name of the class, and the name of the class is section1. So just save this and refresh it. Now look at this. Okay, so this is going to be, so mostly the div element is used to write the pages. If we have to write the different section in the our pages, in that case we can use the division. For example, if we wanted to make this division to be aligned like this way, and this is to be like aligned this way, so if I will set the width, say here I set the width, here we can say that 50%. Control S, save this and refresh it. Now here going to become the width is 50, so it's going to occupy the 50% size of the screen. Okay, and same way, and here again I will set the width equal to 50%. Save it, refresh it. Now again look at it. This will again occupy the 50% area of the screen. What say, so here we can say that in our page this is one section, and here we can say that this is a section, second section over here. So sometimes we have to make a page into different section, we can use the division element. And say I just wanted to make it float left, and I just wanted to make it float right. See, yeah, you can see. So here you can see that this is one section and this is another section. Another, we can add spaces between the this is these divisions by using margins, using paddings, that we will learn in the coming lesson. So this is all about division and how to use division in HTML or CSS. That's all for now. Have a good day.